Robinson. I'm training in nutrition here, and today I'm going to go over the clean pull. So this is a great exercise to specifically develop some lower back strength as well as glute strength, but also it's really awesome in developing some hip speed, which is important in a lot of athletic movements out there, whether it be golf, whether it be lifting weights, just everything. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set up in about a hip to shoulder width stance. And when you look down, you want the bar to be somewhere over around the balls of your feet or mid part of your foot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my deadlift stance, okay, from right here, back's nice and flat, and then here I'm going to deadlift it up, hips and shoulders rising at the same rate, and then when I get above the knees, I'm going to rapidly extend and fire the hips like that. So that was it in slow motion there, and now I'm going to perform in a little bit faster. So as you can see there, the third one was probably a little bit best. You want to focus on really keeping that bar close and using as much of your legs as possible to drive the barbell rather than pure arm pull. And that right there is the clean pull.